Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 4000 amp 100 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully refurbished and is in great working condition. Overall dimensions for this is 52 by 52 by 80 inches height. This is a 3-phase water cooled, as you can see the pump right here. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. See, it's in great condition right here. I'll get this started for you in a second. You can add ramp controls for $2,000. And we'll get this started right now. So you see the meters right there. And the ripple right there. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.